Good evening, everyone. This is the Flagler Weather Update. Today is today is the 30th of November of 2025, and that means hurricane season is over. And so let's talk about what to expect with our weather here for the next several days. We do have a stalled front and a couple low pressure systems that'll be moving into the region as we get into Monday, tied to this very active storm system that will be the main bunch of it is going to be well off to the north, where there's potentials for significant freezing rain from Arkansas through Tennessee to Kentucky into West Virginia. Heavier snowfalls are expected to be well to the north in areas that typically would see snow. There's absolutely no risk of any wintry precipitation getting into our area from this system. There is a potential for one or two strong showers or thunderstorms to be moving through when Tuesday comes as this front begins to swing through. Now, this map only goes 3 days, but there are some signals that this front will stall down in SoFlo or further south, and then low pressure will come back along it and move across the state of Florida the following weekend or early next week. So we'll have to see how that shakes out. So let's talk about our forecast now. Taking a look at, let's talk about tropics real quick. Hurricane season 2025 is over. Doesn't mean we can't have something spin up, but the chances of that are very slim. We don't have anything going on out there of any concern right now. And going even further into the future, no tropical development through December 9th, no tropical development through December 16th. So we're looking really, really good with that. So let's talk about our local winds now in our local forecast. So as we go through the week ahead, we're generally looking at, some days being a little breezy. Tuesday, maybe gusting up to 24, 25 miles an hour, and then those winds die down, and then it becoming maybe breezy again by Saturday with gusts to 20, 24 miles per hour as two weather systems pass us by. So let's talk about temperatures. So looking at temperatures to be bottoming out tonight, generally in the 60s, and then Monday highs generally in the upper 70s and they're 80, and then down in the 60s again Tuesday morning. And then temperatures Tuesday looks to be the warmest day. High temperatures getting up near 80 degrees or so county-wide. And then as a front passes through, things cool down into the 50s by Tuesday night, Wednesday morning. And then by Wednesday, high temperatures will struggle to reach 70. A little bit of a cool down, but not significant. And then as we go through in the rest of the week, looks like the coolest morning looks to be Thursday morning with lows in the upper 40s, lower 50s, upper 50s beaches. The ocean is still 71 degrees, so it's keeping things warmer there. And as we go through the rest of the week, we see temperatures slowly warm back up. By Friday, we're getting near 80 again. And then by Saturday, which is parade day in Flagler Beach, we're looking at temperatures peaking right around 80 degrees, a little bit cooler at the beaches. How about rain chances right now? Is it going to rain on our parade? Are we going to be seeing a lot of rain this week? There is potential for rainfall. As we get into tomorrow, we see about a 20-25% chance of the odd shower. That stays with us tomorrow night. But as we get into Tuesday, look for several rounds of showers, maybe some thunderstorms to come through. There is the chance of the odd strong thunderstorm passing through on Tuesday as that front comes through. But there is mostly going to be showers, but the odd strong storm cannot be ruled out. As we go through the rest of the week, we dry out once again, but then we have to watch as we get to Saturday. Rain chances increase once again to about 50%. We got a lot of time to watch this, and we'll get further details later on this week with that. So that's how all that shakes out right now. Looking at our drought index, right now we are still looking at, drought index is right around 300 for Flagler County. We are not in really bad shape compared to the rest of the state of Florida, which drought indexes are well up into extreme drought category, especially western Florida and points to our north and west, where they've been having a lot of problems with wildfires. Now, taking a look at our long-range outlook, this takes us December 6th to December 10th. Look for rainfall, precipitation chances to be above average during this time, and temperatures to be also above average on the whole. Now, looking at the month of December, look for precipitation chances to be below normal for the entire month of December. Now, wait a minute. I just showed you above average for the first week. Well, it doesn't mean this is the average for the entire month. It doesn't mean you can't have 1 or 2 days of rainfall or heavier rainfall and then the rest of the month be bone dry. That's basically what this points to. Temperature wise, we're looking for temperatures to be well above normal. Doesn't mean you can't have a cold snap. It just means that as a whole, most of the days in December will be warmer than normal, is what this means. So that's going to wrap it up. We appreciate everyone taking time to tune into us. Everybody out there have a great rest of the week, and we'll likely be back middle of the week with an update.